Hey there, owner-operators and box truck owners. Running your own trucking business comes with a lot of responsibility, and one of the biggest ongoing costs is your insurance premiums. We get it. Every dollar saved goes straight to your bottom line. That's why today, we're breaking down actionable steps you can take to potentially lower your truck insurance premiums. Let's dive in. First and foremost, your driving record is paramount. Insurance companies heavily scrutinize your history. A clean record, free of accidents and violations, is the single most significant factor in securing lower rates. So focus on safe driving habits. This might seem obvious, but consistently practicing safe driving techniques, maintaining safe following distances, adhering to speed limits, and being aware of your surroundings directly impacts your risk profile. Avoiding violations. Traffic tickets, especially moving violations, can significantly increase your premiums. Be meticulous about following all traffic laws and DOT regulations. Defensive driving courses. Consider taking a certified defensive driving course. Not only can it improve your skills, but some insurance providers offer discounts for completing them. Next up, prioritize safety and maintenance. A well-maintained truck is a safer truck, and that translates to lower risk in the eyes of insurers. Make sure you are doing the following 3 things. Number 1, regular maintenance. Implement and stick to a strict maintenance schedule for your truck. Document all inspections and repairs. This shows insurers you're proactive in preventing breakdowns and potential accidents. Number 2, pre- and post-trip inspections. Thoroughly conduct these inspections every time. Catching potential issues early can prevent accidents down the line. And number 3, safety equipments. Investing in and utilizing safety equipment like dash cams, lane departure warning systems, and collision mitigation technology can demonstrate a commitment to safety and may qualify you for discounts with some insurers. Now let's talk about your insurance policy itself. There are ways to potentially optimize it. Here's how. Shop around and compare quotes. Don't just stick with the first quote you receive. Get quotes from multiple insurance providers specializing in commercial trucking. Rates can vary significantly. Review your coverage limits. Ensure you have adequate coverage for your needs, but avoid over-insuring. Talk to your insurance agent to determine the appropriate limits for your operation. Consider bundling policies. If you have other insurance needs, like personal auto or homeowners, bundling them with the same provider might result in a discount. Finally, be transparent and proactive with your insurance provider. Provide accurate information. Be honest and thorough when applying for insurance. Withholding or misrepresenting information can lead to denied claims or policy cancellation. Communicate changes. Inform your insurer of any significant changes in your operation, such as changes in routes, cargo, or driving radius. Failing to do so could affect your coverage. Ask about discounts. Don't be afraid to ask your insurance agent about any potential discounts you might qualify for, such as those for safety features, association memberships, or years of experience. Lowering your truck insurance premiums takes effort and a commitment to safety, but the potential savings can be substantial. By focusing on your driving record, maintaining your truck, optimizing your policy, and communicating effectively with your insurer, you can take control of this significant business expense. Hope this information helps you on the road to lower premiums. Stay safe out there, and if you have any questions about DOT compliance and safety, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you navigate the road ahead.